So for the next example, we're going to be doing a fraction to decimal again. So it's a very similar explanation, except for this time we're going to end up with a repeating decimal, and you'll see why in just a moment. So we're going to go ahead and set it up. This says 7/9. Remember, we want to read it like a book from top to bottom. So I want to think of it like 7 divided by 9. So let's write it out. 7 divided by 9. Okay, then we're just going to do our long division. 9 goes into 7 0 times, add a decimal, then you can continue. Okay, so 9 goes into 70 7 times. 9 times 7 is 63. 70 minus 63 is 7. Bring down a 0. 9 goes into 70 7 times. 7 times 9 is 63. Subtract. You get 7. Bring down a 0. 9 goes into 70 7 times. Okay, so you should kind of start to see a pattern form, and you should see that this is just going to keep happening every single time because of the way that it's set up. We'll keep getting 63, then we'll keep getting 77, and it's just going to keep going and going and going. Okay, so this is a repeating decimal. So our final answer for this one is 0.7. Since the 7 is what's being repeated over and over, the repeating bar goes above the 7. So it's 0.7 repeating. Now we can check it with our calculator. 7 divided by 9. And you can see you get 0.7 repeating. They just put an 8 at the end in the calculator to give it an endpoint, because technically if you were to round that 7 up, it would be an 8. However, this decimal is going on forever and ever. So that's a repeating decimal with 7. So we can put 0.7 repeating. All right, so now take a couple minutes and try to do the U-try, which is converting 4/6 to a decimal using long division. And so a hint is this decimal should be repeating. When you're done, check it in your calculator.